Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound issues on your laptop or PC if your speakers or headphones suddenly stop working. Whether it's Windows 10 or 11, this full guide will walk you through step by step. Let's get started. First, click on the sound icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Make sure the volume is turned up and that you've selected the correct output device, like your speakers or headphones. If you don't see the right device, click on Select Output Device and choose the correct one from the list. Go to Control Panel greater than Sound, then right-click your output device and select Properties. Under the Enhancements tab, try checking Disable All Enhancements and click Apply. Press Windows plus X, then select Device Manager. Expand the section called Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio driver, usually Realtek or Intel, then click Update Driver and choose Search Automatically. If that doesn't work, you can also try Uninstall Device and restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. After going through these steps, your sound should be working again. If not, try plugging in a different headset or external speaker to test if it's a hardware issue. And that's how you fix sound not working on your laptop or PC. Full guide for Windows users. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're still having trouble. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.